What's going on, everyone? It's Jay with Trader X, and today I'm going to go over another day trading recap with you guys. So today's going to be a pretty quick recap because I only took 2 trades and I finished the day up a whopping $2.29. So I'm going to go over that with you. So the first stock I traded was ticker symbol BEKE, and if I pull up the chart right now. So this morning, this stock was one of the top gappers on the scanner, like I always show you guys that I use. And right when the market opened up, just like the stock I traded yesterday, ticker symbol KVL, this stock right when the market opened shot up around 6% and hit the top VWAP. And that's a pattern I always like to trade, because anytime a stock is trending between the middle VWAP and the top VWAP, these two lines over here, then it typically means the stock's going to uptrend. So right after I saw that big movement, the stock flushed down after it became overbought, and I was looking to get in at a higher low. So the reason why I got filled at 1346 up here was because I thought after a big push like that, the stock was going to keep this uptrend pattern right around here where this line is I drew and make a higher low and go, but it ended up unfortunately flushing me out. So I got in right around here and it flushed me out to 5% I give it. So right after that, I didn't want to really keep trading the stock because right around these price levels is the price point 1360. And if you look at it in the bigger time frames, this morning that it's around right here where my mouse is, and around this price point I didn't find it to be able to move that high because of this previous resistance right here, and the stock was downtrending a lot. So I thought it was just going to make kind of a lower high like this and not go as high. So I did miss out on it, but I'm not too bummed out because it wasn't the most attractive pattern to me. But yeah, I didn't end up getting back in, and the stock shot up like 14%, but not the biggest deal. And I finished down $25 on that. I stopped out with 5% and I got in with $500. And the second stock I traded was ticker symbol DIDI. So if I pull up the chart on that, pretty similar to the last one I just showed you guys right now. The stock was a top gapper on the scanner, and this morning it shot up to top VWAP and came back down. And right around these areas, I got filled at the price point 252, and that is right around here, these levels right here. And the reason why I was fine sending it here was because the stock isn't as volatile. If you guys see right around down here from where I buy in, that's like 2%. And if I'm giving a 5%, then it really doesn't matter if I got in there. I was fine getting in there, and I ended up just letting the stock run for a long time. I didn't end up selling the position till 9 o'clock, and I bought in at 6:40 in the morning. The reason why I didn't sell out and I like this pattern a lot was because, like the other one, it did have margin to come up, but I thought there was no resistance like the one I just showed you right around these levels. And if it did make a lower high, it could still shoot up to here around the price point $3.15, and that's a lot more of a margin than the last one I showed you guys. This is around double it, like 22%. So I thought that's why it was probably going to go, because it is very volatile and it had a lot more opportunity, but it didn't, and that's alright. I still ended up selling the stock after a long time. I waited for it to try and really go, but it didn't, and it was just getting pretty choppy around these areas, and I just decided to sell at the top VWAP right here. So I bought in around the bottom here and sold at the top after waiting for a while for a profit of $27. So just those 2 trades together put me up $2.29. So that's what I finished on the day. And yeah, there wasn't anything else I really liked to trade, so I just left it at that and I called it. So thank you guys all for watching. This has been another day trading recap. I hope you guys can like and subscribe to videos if you guys enjoyed, and check out our Instagram too. Thank you all for watching.